Here we will see a very interesting question from the topic combinations. The question is, a committee of 3 persons is to be constituted from a group of 2 men and 3 women. Okay, 2 men and 3 women. In how many ways can this be done? Second part of this question, how many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Very interesting question. Let us solve it. Here in the chapter of combination, we use the formula NCR is equal to n factorial by r factorial n minus r whole factorial, where n is a total number of objects and r is the number of objects to be selected out of n. Correct? So we'll follow this result, will follow this formula. In the first part of this question, we have to constitute a committee of 3 persons from a group of 2 men and 3 women. So total number of persons is 2 men and 3 women, means 5. Okay. So total number of persons is 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 men and 3 women. Okay. And a committee of 3 persons has to be constituted. So number of ways of constituting a committee of 3 persons out of 5 can be done in 5C3 ways. 5 is the total number of persons and 3 is the number of persons to be selected for this committee. So you evaluate it, you will get the result. So this is equal to, with the help of this formula, 5 factorial by 3 factorial into 5 minus 3 factorial. This 5 factorial can be written as 3 factorial into 4 into 5 divided by 3 factorial into this is 2 factorial. So 3 factorial will be cancelled out, and you know 2 factorial is equal to 2, 1 into 2, so 2 2s are 4, so 2 into 5 is equal to 10. This is the answer of the first part. And now the second part of the question is, how many of these committees would consist of 1 man and 2 women? Okay. So when a committee consists of 1 man out of total number of men is 2 out of 2 and 2 women. Okay, and 2 women out of 3 women, out of 3 women. In how many ways? Man can be selected, 1 man can be selected from 2 in 2C1 ways, in 2, and 2 women has to be selected out of 3, so 3C2. And why multiplication is here? According to fundamental principle of counting. What is fundamental principle of counting? If a part of the job can be done in m ways and the rest of the job can be done in n ways, then this entire job can be done in m into n ways. So in this way we can constitute a committee of men, and in this way we can constitute a committee of women. So the entire job of forming this committee would be multiplication of these 2 numbers, and after evaluating this we will get the answer. So here 2C1 is 2 factorial by 1 factorial into 2 minus 1 whole factorial, and 3C2 is 3 factorial by 2 factorial 3 minus 2 whole factorial. So this 2 factorial is equal to 1 into 2, that is 2, and in denominator we are having 1 only. So this is 2 into 3 minus 2 is 1 factorial, that is equal to 1, and 2 factorial will be cancelled out with this 3 factorial. So here we will get 3. So 2 into 3, this is equal to 6. So this is the answer of this second part, forming a committee of 3 persons, and this committee consists of 1 man and 2 women. Very simple, very interesting. I hope you have got the solution, understood it well. Okay, fine.